Ginger tea with turmeric. A recipe to boost your body's defenses quickly, cheaply, and naturally. Once you know this home remedy, you'll want to thank me. If you know someone who lives with these symptoms of tiredness, stuffy nose, sore throat, cough, or headaches, already share this video with them. And I am very curious to know from which city or country you are following us. Tell me here in the comments. This recipe is all you need to never wake up with a headache again. On the contrary, it will make you wake up with all your energy and mood, using only natural ingredients. So here we go. For the first part of the recipe, we will need 2 cups of water and half a teaspoon of saffron. Put the water and saffron in a pot. Mix well and bring to a boil. Among the several benefits of saffron are its antiseptic action, immunity increase, antidepressant, and anti-cancer action, acting mainly in prevention. It is also a great source of minerals and rich in vitamin A, folic acid, riboflavin, and vitamin C, essential for good health. Now we will need a piece of fresh ginger. Peel it and cut it into small pieces. Known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, ginger is associated with strengthening the immune system. When the mixture comes to a boil, lower the heat and add 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Black pepper has vitamin A, B6, C, iron, magnesium, potassium, has anti-inflammatory action, is good for immunity, for the heart, and because it is low in calories, it is good for weight loss and increases the rate of digestion. Let's also add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Mix everything very well and let it boil again. After boiling, add 1 teaspoon of pure honey. Mix it together and let it boil for 5 minutes. Wait for it to cool down, then strain the tea and put it in a glass container. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into your tea and mix again. And your immunity-boosting tea is ready. I'm sure you'll love it. Folks, I would like to pass on a message that is in Romans 12-21, do not be overcome by evil, but overcome evil with good. Keep your Christian principles in the midst of all opposition, and so show the power of the gospel by conquering your enemies with kindness and patience, which is the most glorious victory. Overcome evil with good, that is, subdue evil by doing good to others. I'll stop here. Take care, okay? See you in the next video. Bye.